right, good morning. We're having some pretzels.
Yeah.
And we're about to go to...
Hold on, let me do it closer so they can see it.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Where are we about to go?
Epcot.
What? Say it without that pretzel in your mouth.
Epcot.
Epcot. We got up and we packed all our bags, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
And we got everything ready because we're going to our new resort today.
Show him what we're watching.
Are you so excited for our new hotel?
Yeah, but is it the train hotel?
The monorail hotel.
I did a lot of monorails.
Yep, we'll be there later.
Hey, show him what we're watching.
Well, I'll show them in a minute when we're done. Okay, so we packed up our bags. We took them to Bell Services. They're going to take our bags to our new room for us.
Yep.
So we don't have to do it. And we're going to pack up and head over to Epcot and just do whatever we want. We don't really have a big plan today. I think Braxton wants Test Track and Brooks wants to ride Frozen. So we're going to try to do those.
I'm riding Test Track and Frozen.
Okay, well maybe we'll try both. And we're just going to do whatever we feel like and have a good day and then go to the new hotel. Tropical storm moves in tonight. Brooksy's a little bit nervous, aren't you?
Of what?
Of the storm. It'll be overnight. It'll happen overnight tonight. Just a lot of rain. You know what the storm's name is?
What?
Elsa.
So Elsa's gonna do our storm?
The name of the storm is Elsa.
So is Elsa gonna do the storm?
Maybe.
Real Elsa?
Maybe.
Real Elsa?
I don't know. We'll find out, okay?
Yay!
Okay, we'll see
I'm so excited.
We'll see you at Epcot.
Okay.
Or maybe on the Skyliner.
Bye!
How many cars did you design?
And what?
How many cars did you design?
After Test Track?
Yeah.
Oh, 2.
We stayed in there and let you design some more cars. Is that your favorite part of it, is designing those cars? Yeah. April and Brooks went on to ride Frozen. Braxton wanted to design a few more cars, so we got that done, and then we picked up some donuts. The boys just wanted donuts for lunch. Is that right?
Yeah.
So we'll get some fish and chips.
Where's Mom?
They're going to meet us. They're going to meet us right over here at the front of the World Showcase, which Braxton thinks is the Travis Scott event. I don't know what that is, but we believe him. So we're walking down to meet Mom and Brooks. The World Showcase. It is hot and muggy today, isn't it? Feel that tropical storm getting close. All right, here's your lunch when you're at Disney. Donuts for the boys.
I haven't had donuts in a long time.
You haven't? I know. You like it? Is it good? Some of the icing came off in the bag of yours, Brooks. It melted in the 5 minutes it took us to get over here. Okay, we're going to go get fish and chips for us, right? All right, here we go. Off to Great Britain. Braxton, you ready for your fish and chips? Yeah. Mom's ready for fish and chips.
Always. So I'm done. I have a donut.
I'm definitely ready for fish and chips. And Brooks is still eating on his donut because we're the best parents ever.
I had a donut.
And you already had your donut, and you're going to have some fish and chips now. Sitting right here by the water in Epcot. I'm going to have our lunch. Going in to swing.
I know what to draw when I get home.
What? Just rode Nemo and gonna look around the aquarium a little bit. This little dude likes to just run from room to room and look at everything. And I just try to keep up.
Oh, look at this big old stingray.
Shark. Oh, that's a hammerhead. See, I saw the hammerhead right there. They're all staying at the bottom.
It's gonna be right towards us now.
No.
Funky looking
Braxton.
Oh, Dad. They're looking at you.
I think he's in that first one.
I don't know what those three are doing.
All the pictures all the same. Yeah, that's what he's all.
All right, we're playing in the shark house here at the Seas. Braxton made shark. And a jellyfish. Oh, nope. No. I think it's a jellyfish.
No, it was this.
Okay. All right, so we just finished Nemo and we're heading over to Imagination. We're going to do Figment. And then after Figment, head upstairs to the DVC lounge. We did that the other day. Get a little drink and wait on our hotel room to get ready at Bay Lake.
You went one step.
Oh, that was strong today.
One lovely sniff can be a feeling. Your mind be fine. That's how you tell that stuff is not a road right down.
imagination is just turning your thinking upside down. Come on, it's time to get back to the Institute.
I know a shortcut.
Thank you, Pigman. So, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast.
All inspiration is at the heart.
Alright, so we made it into the DVC lounge here in Epcot. Me and Brooksy are here.
And Mom.
Well, Mom and Bubba went to get some drinks, right? Have you had a good day at Epcot so far?
Yeah.
Yeah. What was your favorite thing, Test Track or Frozen?
Do you
That's
know
hard.
what I'm gonna say?
What are you going to say?
Guess.
Frozen.
Test Trap.
Test Track, you liked it
Both.
today?
Both.
Both. Yeah, are you ready for some drinks and a snack?
Well, I don't need my snack anymore.
Oh, you said you had your goldfish. We're just waiting on our new hotel to be ready for us.
Wait, we are?
Yep.
Wait, we're getting ready for
As soon as our room's ready, we'll start heading that way, or close. We'll probably head that way a little before.
How many stuff do we have? How many stuff do we have?
Our waiter's back with the drinks. Thank you, sir. Oh, and the snacks today are animal crackers. And our drinks. Thank you, sir. Thank you, kind sir. You can take your shoes off. All right, so we are headed out of Epcot. Gonna go see about getting in our hotel for the second half of our trip. It's about 3 o'clock. Got about everything done today that we wanted to, so just gonna make our way out. It's not raining currently, but the tropical storm has been upgraded to a Category 1 hurricane, or it's expected to in the next couple hours or something. So we will see how that affects us tonight. I think most of it's supposed to roll through overnight, so we'll see how it goes. Take our first bus ride to our new resort. Where are we staying?
Contemporary.
Bay Lake Tower. It'll be our first time to stay here, so super excited about staying there. Yeah, it's about 3:30. Our room's not ready yet. They sent us the text and said it wasn't quite ready, but we're gonna go ahead and bus over, and hopefully by the time we get there we'll have a room. In the meantime, we're gonna wait on the bus. All right, and we made it here to Bay Lake Tower at the Contemporary. We are ready. And somebody fell asleep on the bus. Who could that have been?
Did you all the way fall asleep?
Why were the lights blinking on the bus?
I think that was your dream. We're tired, aren't we?
Why were the lights
Yep. All right. Go see if we can get in our room. All right, we're going into our room here at Bay Lake. And our keys worked. We're in our room. Let's get Brooksy in.
Oh my gosh, hard fit.
Oh, we dropped our lightsaber. You can.
It's got a balcony. Cool.
Braxton.
If you fall, you are not guys are allowed to come out here without me and Dad.
Braxton.
If we fall,
If
you fall,
But if you fall,
Look at what you can see, Brooksy and Braxton.
you fall, you're dead.
No,
Right, Mom? No matter what, you're dead. If you fall, oh my God.
Brooks, did you see the castle?
Yeah, I thought we were gonna fall into a bush. Basketball court.
And guess what this means? At night. What happens at night at the castle?
The fireworks! The fireworks?
So cool. Big thanks to... We need to go back to the front desk.
Look at the ocean!
We need to go back to the front desk, and you guys need to say thank you to Maureen, a lady named Maureen, because they gave us a room on the other side of the building. And I said, can we just check and see if there's one on this side? And she checked for us and got us this room, and we can see the castle.
Dad,
And everybody's favorite, Space Mountain.
Dad, if you drop that, it will be broken, so...
I'm not going to drop it.
Yes, you will!
Plus, all this Bay Lake goodness. So cool. The monorail. All right. So we're excited. All right, so we're in our room at Bay Lake Tower. This is a deluxe Lakeview studio. And as you come in, the bathroom's right here to the right. We'll go in there in a second. There's the little galley kitchen in these rooms, which I know some people love and some people don't love. But we've got this galley kitchen. There's quite a bit of shelving and storage. So we've got all the DVC amenities and drawers. And these bottom two are just pretty empty, I think, except for the paper towels. And a mini fridge. There's a whole nother little, I don't know what this area is, like a getting ready area. And then 3 shelves. There's a whole little pull-out thing over here. Not sure what all we'll put in those. As we come out in the room, of course, the bed, the pull-out sofa. Here's the little table and chairs. A lightsaber. Television. A little cabinet up top. And then a whole bunch of drawers down here at the bottom, which are nice. So we've got all those drawers. And then our patio. With a couple of chairs, plenty of room out here. We have a lake view room. And so the view of Bay Lake. But we requested a north-facing room. We originally didn't get a north-facing room, and so Maureen at the front desk was awesome, and she checked to see if they'd cleaned any more rooms since they sent us our room assignment, and they had. And so we're on the 14th floor in this north-facing room, and if you turn just to the left, Space Mountain and the castle and Astro Orbiter, and we can even see, you probably can't see it on the video very well, but we can even see Splash Mountain over there. So awesome. So thanks to Maureen, and what a great view. Basketball courts and tennis court down there at Bay Lake. So just super excited about this. Okay, I forgot to show the closet, and so now we're going to show the closet. This is right across from the galley kitchen. What is that at the bottom of the doors? What are those? Let's look in here. Here's the closet. This is where they keep their Brookses.
That's why I'm a dancer.
Does every room here at this hotel come with Brooks in the closet?
Yes.
Because people might, I don't know if they would want to stay here or not stay here. If you came in the closet of every room, look at that face. He's so sweet. And he always listens and obeys his mom and dad, doesn't he? All right, we came across the Sky Bridge, just looking around. And we're going into the Contemporary. We're just going to watch the monorail come in 1 or 2 times. Some of the construction stuff out here on the viewing platform. I think that just goes to the hotel rooms. And we're coming here into the Contemporary. All right. We're going to see what's going on over here. We had a monorail pull into our hotel. Oh, there it goes. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Just pretty cool. There, yeah, you're right. There's another one on the other side loading up. All right, Bubba. All right, let's go back and see if our bags made it. Alright, well, I'm just going to leave you pointed this way because it's so dark on the patio here, or on the balcony here. You can't really see me, but we just finished, as you probably saw, watching the Happily Ever After show from our balcony here at Bay Lake Tower. The boys were already asleep. They were exhausted. They didn't get naps today because we were changing resorts. But April and I came out and just watched the fireworks, and again we ended up with this great balcony here where we can see the Magic Kingdom and the fireworks. I didn't take the camera down to dinner tonight. We did go down and get dinner at Contempo Cafe. We had planned on maybe going around to another monorail resort and grabbing something, and we originally had Beaches and Cream reservations, but with the tropical storm coming, we didn't really want to get caught away from our resort, plus it would have just been kind of inconvenient, so we canceled those. And really hasn't rained or anything at all yet due to the tropical storm. It's about here. I think it's going to move through mostly overnight, whatever bands of rain we do get. Disney did cancel Epcot Forever tonight, but Happily Ever After went on. But again, we had a good dinner at Contempo Cafe. It was okay. It wasn't fantastic. We're looking forward to later in the week when we get to try the Wave and some other things they have here. But that will do it for tonight. We just did a bunch of other boring stuff tonight, like laundry after our first week, getting ready for our second week. We got it all put away. We really like the studio here. A lot of storage, a lot of space to put things. I think the only real major negative is these rooms were done. They were kind of the last resort done before Disney started making some bigger modifications, like a storage under the bed and USB ports by the beds and those types of things. So there's a few of those things lacking or missing. But again, this resort was built kind of right before, maybe, I don't know that a renaissance is the right word, but right before Disney started doing all those kind of new things in the rooms. And so it is missing some of those. I'm sure when it goes through its refurbishment, it will get those. But again, still a lot of storage and stuff in the room, and so we are going to sign off there. We're up, and the plan is to go to Hollywood Studios in the morning. Of course, we kind of flipped a few days around when the hurricane was, or this tropical storm. It's now a hurricane. It'll make landfall as a hurricane, a Category 1, Elsa. But we had planned on doing Magic Kingdom tomorrow morning, but we switched to Hollywood Studios just because it's a better park to be in if it's raining. So that is the plan. Hopefully with the rain we can make that work, and we'll just see what this hurricane or tropical storm does to us overnight. So with that, we'll sign off from Bay Lake Tower.